Namaskar. Today I stand before you to speak about the backbone of Indian Railways, the train managers, formerly known as train guards. These are not merely the people who wave green flags. They are the highest-ranking officers on moving trains, the guardians of millions of passengers, and the unsung heroes who ensure that the wheels of our nation keep turning. When you board a train, you trust that it will reach its destination safely. Behind this trust stands a train manager, vigilant, responsible, and carrying the weight of thousands of lives on their shoulders. They inspect every coach, monitor brake pressure, ensure compliance with safety regulations, and coordinate with loco pilots and station officials. One small oversight from them could lead to a major disaster. But their job extends far beyond safety. They are the timekeepers of Indian Railways, maintaining the punctuality that defines our rail network's reputation. In emergency situations, fires, medical emergencies, derailments, they are the first decision makers, the crisis managers who stand between chaos and order. Behind this critical role lies a story of sacrifice that society rarely sees. Train managers work without fixed hours, spending days and nights away from their families. They operate from the last coach, the brake van, often old, uncomfortable, lacking basic amenities like proper lighting or toilets. They face constant dangers, traveling through remote areas prone to theft and robbery, confronting antisocial elements, and bearing the highest risk during accidents because they are positioned at the train's rear. For goods train managers, these dangers multiply as they work alone, often without adequate security measures. The irregular duty schedules and sleep deprivation take a severe toll on their health. They miss their children's school functions, family celebrations, and social gatherings. Their social life becomes virtually non-existent. For female train managers, these challenges are even more pronounced due to inadequate facilities and security concerns. Despite bearing such immense responsibility and risk, train managers face systemic discrimination. While station masters start with a grade pay of 4,200 rupees, train managers receive grade pay of 2,800 rupees only, despite similar qualifications and recruitment processes. This disparity is not just unfair, it's a reflection of how we undervalue those who risk their lives for our safety. Station masters enjoy the comfort of fixed offices, quarters, and stable social lives. Train managers live in perpetual uncertainty, without fixed workplaces or assured rest periods. Their running allowances, based on kilometers traveled, fail to compensate for the stress and risks they endure. The upcoming 8th pay commission brings hope for these dedicated servants. Their demands are not unreasonable, they seek grade pay parity, increasing their starting grade pay from 2,800 rupee to 4,200 rupees. Justified increment, promotional increment for senior passenger train manager promotion. Enhanced allowances, better running allowances and tax exemptions. Safety measures, security allowances for goods train managers. Modern facilities, upgraded brake vans with comfortable seats, toilets and communication equipment. Women's safety, separate, secure rest rooms for female train managers. Supervisory authority, power to direct other train staff and maintain discipline. The Indian government has already ordered the modernization of 8,000 goods brake vans, a positive step forward. But more needs to be done. The All India Guards Council, AIGC, continues to advocate for these essential workers, and it's time we listen. We must fill vacant train manager positions urgently. Accelerate promotion processes. Establish clear policies for working hours and rest periods. Recognize their contribution to national development. When we speak of bullet trains and railway modernization, we must not forget those who make the system work on the ground. Railway development is incomplete without the welfare of its workers. Train managers are not just employees, they are the true servants of the nation. They are the guardians of our journeys, the protectors of our safety, and the keepers of our trust. They deserve not just our gratitude, but our respect, fair compensation, and the dignity that comes with their invaluable service. The next time you see a train manager, remember their sacrifice. When society honors a profession, it creates pressure on governments to work for their betterment. Train managers are the unsung heroes of Indian Railways. It's time we give them the recognition and justice they deserve, so they can continue serving our nation without worry or want. Let us pledge to support these guardians of our railways, for in their welfare lies the strength of our transportation system and the safety of our people. Thank you.